Well, remember the date, 2nd of November 2025. This date will stand tall in Indian sports, just as the 25th of June 1983 redefined men's cricket in India. Last night redefined women's cricket. At the D.Y. Patil Stadium in Mumbai, the Indian women's cricket team did what they had dreamed for decades. They won their first ever ICC World Cup title. That's right. Well, today, as we celebrate their victory, rejoice in their talent, their enthusiasm, as well as their intent, let's start by cheering for each of them. Captain Harmanpreet Kaur, Vice Captain Smriti Mandhana. There's also Pratika Rawal, Harleen Deol, Deepti Sharma, who was one of the biggest stars with both the bat as well as the balls. Jemimah Rodrigues, of course, she had put up a stellar performance, not just in the finals, but let's not forget the showing that she did at the semi-finals. Then, of course, there is Renuka Singh Thakur. Then there is Arundhati Reddy. There is Richa Ghosh, who was great with the bails. And then there was Kranti Gaud, Amanjot Kaur, as well as Radha Yadav. Shri, who of course has always performed as always with the ball. There is also Yastika Bhatia, Sneh Rana, Shefali Verma, of course, who had put up a stellar performance with both the bat as well as the ball. So, thank you to all you champions. Thank you for your grit. Thank you for your resilience, for your indomitable spirit. And thank you for making India so proud. Well, India, of course, remember, had posted 298 for 7 and then bowled out South Africa for 246, a 52-run victory. This victory came after a tough journey. Mid-tournament slump, there were 3 consecutive losses, but then came the semi-final thriller against Australia, where Jemimah Rodrigues had powered 127 to reach the finals. Well, the parallel with 1983 is ironclad. Back then, remember, the team was written off. But Kapil Dev and his boys did not give up, and eventually, from Lords, they scripted a golden chapter in India's cricketing journey. Last night, the girls in blue, they played with the same spirit and they conquered just like the queens for cricket. In fact, and right there, interestingly, was Times Now's Karishma. Of course, Karishma has been lucky all along to watch all of this firsthand, but she covered every facet of the game to get you the most incisive coverage of this match. Watch this report to find out what happened just moments after Harmanpreet and the girls won the World Cup and hoisted their first ever World Cup trophy.
We are here at the Team Hotel and the celebrations have started after the historic World Cup win. Indian fans donated to the Team Hotel as well, celebrating the win with them. You just showed me the videos that you had shot on your phone. What was that like? See the other players as well?
I was very excited to see and their excitement, their hard work and their hard work through the tour they made successful, and they are now champions.
And I'd like to ask you, what would you want to say to the Indian team? How does it feel to you being the world champions?
I just say congratulations. They worked really hard for this. I'm following women's cricket for almost after 2017 World Cup. I was after the heartbreak. So now seeing them winning the trophy, I'm really happy.
And being here in the Team Hotel, the whole Nagara is here. How
Well, remember, Karishma was the only journalist who was right there at the hotel when the dhols and the nagaras came out to welcome the world champions at the hotel. In fact, the path to victory was, of course, built on individual stories of tenacity. And Harmanpreet Kaur, a girl from Moga whose father was her first coach, she went on to captain India to this crown. Smriti Mandhana from Maharashtra, Sangli to international stardom is where her journey took her. Shefali Verma, the powerhouse from Rohtak, who even disguised as a boy to get trained in her early days. As fate would have it, she was called up late in the tournament. And late, she delivered. Despite that, she delivered 87 runs and 2 wickets in the finals to become the player of the match. Of course, there is Jemimah Rodrigues from Mumbai's Bandra, a multi-sport talent which led India with 127 in the semi-finals. There's Deepti Sharma, Agra's all-rounder. She scored 58 and took 5 for 39 in the finals. There's pacer Renuka Singh Thakur. She's considered to be the backbone of India's fast bowling attack. She, of course, lost her father when she was just 3 years old. But despite the personal hardships, she managed to fight through to become a world champion today. Then, of course, who can forget Richa Ghosh from Shiliguri. Her father travelled for her trials and now she's India's World Cup winning wicketkeeper despite all the ordeal that she had to face just when it came to connectivity. What does this victory really mean for the women in blue and their families? Listen in and find out.
Jemimah, firstly, congratulations. Your first thoughts, World Cup winners, World Cup champions, how does that feel?
I don't know, it's not sunk in yet, we visualize this so much as a team and it still feels like, are we still visualizing or this really has happened? So I think it will take us a while to sink it, but yeah, I think the party's going to start tonight.
And Jemimah, you spoke so much about, being vulnerable and what you were going through. You wanted to help people who are going through the same thing by speaking about it. Now, winning there, do you think that set an example that you just have to keep pushing through?
Yeah, I don't know, I heard this, someone told me this once that, people relate to you more with your weakness than your strength. And there are so many people who go through a similar thing. And I thought if I come out and be open about it, it just might help someone else. So, yeah, I think my role is bigger than just being about myself. I want to help people
And
also. So, yeah.
Jemimah, just one word for the crowd today that was here to support you, and I'm letting you go.
Yeah, Navi Mumbai has been phenomenal. Every single game, every single time we come in, the energy is amazing and outstanding. And this trophy is dedicated to all of them and the billions supporting us in India.
हमारे साथ है इस वक्त अमनजोत। इंडिया ने वर्ल्ड कप जीता है। अमनजोत, क्या कहना चाहेंगी, क्या फील कर रही हैं इस वक्त, कितना बड़ा मोमेंट है ये आपके लिए?
आप देख ही सकते हैं किस तरह है, मतलब जिस तरह से मुंबई के क्राउड ने हमें चेयर किया है, हमसे ज़्यादा उन्होंने एफर्ट लगाया इस मैच में, हर डॉट बॉल पे, हर विकेट पे, हर बाउंड्री पे, हर सिक्सर पे, जैसे उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया। स्पेशली जैसे वो हमारे साथ नेशनल टीम गा रहे थे, इट वॉज बियॉन्ड वर्ड। आई एम स्पीचलेस।
अमनजोत, आप स्पीचलेस है, लेकिन मैं फिर भी आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि वुमेन्स क्रिकेट के लिए, आपकी पूरी टीम के लिए ये जीत क्या मायने रखती है? क्या इमोशंस हैं जीतने से लेकर अब तक? थोड़ा टाइम हो गया है, क्या आपस में बात हुई है, आंसू बहे हैं?
बहुत लोगों ने रोया, बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं, मैंने तो बहुत रोया है। और ये वुमेन्स क्रिकेट के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है। जैसे भी हॉल हो रहा है WPL के आने से, जैसे इंडियन वुमेन्स क्रिकेट ग्रो कर रहा है, तो बहुत बड़ी बात है हमारे लिए।
और अमनजोत, आखिरी सवाल है मेरा, क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगी जनता को जो यहाँ आए हैं, बहुत नंबर्स में सपोर्ट किया है, और वुमेन्स क्रिकेट का फ्यूचर कैसे देख रही हैं?
आई जस्ट से थैंक यू टू मुंबई। आपके बिना शायद ये पॉसिबल नहीं था। जैसे आप लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया, हमें सपोर्ट करते रहो और हम अपना जी जान से खेलते रहो।
हमारे साथ है राधा, और इंडिया ने वर्ल्ड कप जीत लिया है। राधा की स्माइल बता रही है कि कितना बड़ा मोमेंट है ये। राधा, क्या कहना चाहेंगी, क्या मायने रखती है ये जीत?
अरे काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है, और हम सब के लिए, हमारी फैमिलीज़ के लिए, पूरे इंडिया के लिए, पहले तो पूरे इंडिया के लिए, बाकी हम हमारे लिए काफ़ी फॉर्चुनेट है हम कि हम इस जगह पे है फ़िलहाल। तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है।
और अगर टीम के माहौल के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए। आप लोग सब इसी दिन के लिए तैयारी कर रहे थे, अब वो दिन आ गया है। हरमन वहाँ भांगड़ा कर रही थी, ट्रॉफी दे रही थी, नहीं दे रही थी, दे रही थी, नहीं दे रही थी, तो मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा एक खुशनुमा माहौल लग रहा था।
एकदम हम स्टार्टिंग से ही हम सब एक साथ रहे, और काफ़ी देर से हम खेल रहे हैं एक ही टीम। तो आई थिंक वो बॉन्डिंग है, एक जेलअप, सब एक साथ होते हैं, और सबको पता है कि अच्छे टाइम में क्या करना है, बुरे टाइम में उसके लिए क्या करना है, सर्टेन प्लेयर्स के लिए। तो आई थिंक वो सब एक साथ आके सब तो काफ़ी अच्छा।
और क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगी जनता को? आज हाउसफुल स्टेडियम था, सब लोग इंडिया कर रहे थे। मतलब जब साउथ अफ्रीका का चौका या छक्का लग रहा था तो एक आवाज़ नहीं आ रही थी, ऐसे लग रहा था कि बस इंडियन टीम या तो विकेट ले, या चौका मारे, या छक्का मारे।
DY पाटिल ऑनेस्टली स्पेशल है हमारे लिए, और इंडियन फैंस तो बहुत ही स्पेशल है। वो हम कहीं पे भी जाए, वो इतना सपोर्ट करते हैं, अच्छा करो बुरा करो, वो बस चाहते हैं कि इंडिया मैच जीते। तो आई थिंक हमको और आसान हो जाता है उनके लिए एफर्ट डालना.
Well, let me go across to Karishma as well as Shivam, who are joining us. And Karishma, I must tell you, everyone here, at least in the studios, everyone really envies you that you got to watch all the action live. You got to soak in that moment, a historic moment, saw it with your eyes, and you spoke to the champions. Has it all sunk in? What does it mean for future generations to live in a moment like this?
Well, Meghna, yesterday a very beautiful thing was said that Mithali and Julian walked so that this Indian team could run. And now it is going to be a very big example that the up-and-coming women cricketers, young girls who want to take up cricket as a sport are going to follow. I met a lot of them before the match started yesterday, and they had their favorite players in Jemima, in Smriti, in Harmanpreet and all the others, and they were really looking forward to a good performance from the women's team and to lift the World Cup to become world champions. We have no idea how many people they are inspiring by the minute. The interviews that I did with them, they were happy, they were emotional. In fact, post-match, they also had a team song, and that was a very beautiful team song that they had, which sounded like "Hum saath mein jeetenge, hum saath mein khelenge, hum saath mein uthenge, humse koi panga लेगा हम कर देंगे दंगा." और एंड में in the end they just said that सबसे ऊपर रहेगा हमारा तिरंगा. So those were the emotion amongst the women's cricket team members. They are happy, they are elated. I'm at the team hotel, I'm trying to get a hold of more women cricketers, but they have been up all night. It was their night to soak in all that has happened, and like Jemima in our interview said that it is going to take some time to understand what really has happened. So obviously we've seen those pictures of Jemima and Smriti in the morning with the trophy in between them. So a lot of celebrations will, of course, be planned as far as the women's team is concerned. But this is their moment, and they will try to soak it all in.
Well, what a day it has been for you, and what a night to live this historic moment. In fact, when India scripted history by lifting their first ever ICC World Cup ODI World Cup title, one name echoed across the D.Y. Patil Stadium. That name was Shefali Verma. Well, this 21-year-old, remember, she's so very young, 21 years old, and she's an opener. She was once dropped, who was then battling with self-doubt, but last time she delivered a player of the match performance that will go down as one of Indian cricket's most inspirational comeback stories. Last night became even more special for Shefali because her inspiration, the god of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, was in the stadium. He was cheering for her and the team as well as they played phenomenal cricket in Rohtak, her hometown. The mood was electrifying. The entire mohalla watched the match. They clapped loudly for their beti and repeated the iconic Dangal dialogue, "Hamari chori choro se kam hai kya?" Watch all of this.
We are currently present at the hometown of a person that has defined the sports era when it comes to women cricket. We are joined by the father of the player of the match of the finals today, Shefali Verma, Mr. Sanjeev sir. सर शुक्रिया टाइम्स नाउ से बात करने के लिए. एक बार फिर बोलूंगा कि जब मैं सुबह आपसे बात कर रहा था तब आप एक भारतीय चैंपियन के पिता थे. अब आप एक विश्व चैंपियन के पिता हैं. तो ये भावना कैसी है, क्या चीज इस वक्त फील कर पा रहे हैं और कैसा लग रहा है इन चीजों को अगर बयां कर सकते?
बोल मनसा माता की जय, बोल शंकर भगवान की जय, बोल संत राजेंद्र महाराज की जय. सारा कुछ उनकी कृपा से हो रहा है और आपने आए, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. और सुबह जो बाइट हुई थी हमारी और अब हुई है, तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका.
सर और आपने शेफाली को देखा है, आपने समझाया है, आपने उसको उस चीज के लिए बढ़ावा दिया है जिनके लिए बहुत से लोग नहीं रहते क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए. आज वो वर्ल्ड कप चैंपियन है. आप उसकी इस पूरी जर्नी को कैसे देखते हैं? आपको कैसे लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. जो जर्नी हमने जो मेहनत कर रखी है इतने साल की, और वो धीरे धीरे आज एक वर्ल्ड कप हमारे देश में आया है. मैं यही चाहूंगा हर 2, 4, 5 साल में वर्ल्ड कप आता रहे और ऐसी खुशियां मनती रहे.
एंड सर, जब मैं किसी भी लड़की के स्पोर्ट्स खेलने की बात करता हूं तो उनके मोर देन देयर पेरेंट्स, उनके पेरेंट्स से ज्यादा उनके जो परिवार वाले होते हैं, हम अक्सर सुनते हैं कि चाचा जी ये बोल रहे हैं, ताऊ जी ये बोल रहे हैं. बट आप लोगों का जिस तरह से सपोर्ट था और आज आप लोगों के सपोर्ट की बदौलत, उसकी अपनी मेहनत की बदौलत आज वो विराट कोहली, रोहित शर्मा जो मैन ऑफ द मैच रहे हैं पिछले आईसीसी टूर्नामेंट में, आज वो मैन ऑफ द मैच मैच है, अभी करियर चढ़ना और शुरू है, किस तरह से देखते हैं, क्या इस वक्त फीलिंग है आपकी?
See, we cannot explain our feeling right now at this point of time. Since childhood, Shefali is a big fan of Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. See, Sachin Tendulkar is idol of whole country, okay? And Shefali also from the childhood itself, she is following up. Like she wants to become like a Sachin Tendulkar. She wants to do some good stuff for her country. And like she did today, she is the man of the match in a very big major tournament, ICC World Cup 2025. And this is the first time an Indian team has ever won the World Cup. You know, 50 over World Cup. And this call of big hooray. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
आज यहाँ सब लोग सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, बट शेफाली जब बचपन में यहाँ खेलती थी तो बहुत लोगों की खिड़कियों के कांच भी टूटे होंगे। आपने कभी डांटा है शेफाली को? कभी
बिल्कुल नहीं डांटा। हम तो यही चाह रहे थे हमारी छोरी बड़ी हो जाए, बड़े क्रिकेट खेल ले, और हम बहुत खुश हैं हमारी छोरी आज वर्ल्ड कप जीत रही है।
आपने कभी सब डांटा खिड़कियां किसी तोड़ने पे, कभी रोका आपने?
नहीं, हमने कभी नहीं रोका। हमने वो मेहनत देखी है जो संजीव जी ने और सभी परिवार ने बचपन से कराई है। आज के जमाने में जहां लोग अपनी बेटियों को आगे नहीं बढ़ाते, इन्होंने दुनिया से हटके अपनी बेटी को मेहनत कराई, देखा कि नहीं, हाँ, छोरी छोरों से कम नहीं होती। इन्होंने वो बात साबित की है। वो फिल्मों में आपने सुना होगा, हमारी छोरियों से कम नहीं है, छोरी छोरों से कम नहीं है। इन्होंने वो बात साबित करी है और आज सारा हिंदुस्तान देख रहा है उसको। बोल भारत माता की।
ये अलग से कीजिएगा। Viewers, please don't get confused when I show you. She is not Shefali Verma, the player of the match. She is the sister of Shefali Verma, Aparna Nancy Verma. अपर्णा, सुबह हमारी बात हुई थी, आप भी खेलते हैं। दीदी आज प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच हैं। आपने बताया दीदी से बात हुई, दीदी बहुत खुश थी कल। आप आज कितने खुश हैं अभी?
बहुत ज्यादा खुश है, जैसे हमने बोला था वैसा ही हुआ।
वैसा ही हुआ। पूरा मैच आपने देखा। आपके लिए मैच का फेवरेट मोमेंट क्या था? शेफाली दीदी की हाफ सेंचुरी या वो 2 विकेट जो शेफाली दीदी ने लिए थे?
देखो, दोनों बहुत अच्छे मूवमेंट थे, लेकिन जब 50 बनी थी जब थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगा।
लेकिन जब विकेट लिया तो आपको लगा नहीं कि ये तो बैट्समैन है और विकेट ले लिया? बोला
नहीं, एक्चुअली वो बॉलिंग भी करती है ना, तो डोमेस्टिक उसमें तो आज करवा दी, तो फिर दीदी ने 2 विकेट ले ली।
अब क्योंकि आप भी खेलती हैं, शेफाली दीदी की जो परफॉर्मेंस है, जो पूरी 11 लोग खेले उनकी परफॉर्मेंस है, वो आपके लिए कितनी इंस्पायरिंग है? बाकी लड़कियां जो आपके साथ खेलती हैं उनके लिए कितनी इंस्पायरिंग?
बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपायरिंग है, मतलब और सारी लड़कियों के लिए भी।
क्या एडवाइस मिलती है शेफाली दीदी? शेफाली दीदी जितना सीरियस मुझे टीवी पर लगती हैं, आपके साथ भी उतनी सीरियस है या आराम से रहती है?
देखो, फील्ड पे तो सीरियस होना ही पड़ता है, बिना सीरियस होए तो नहीं खेल सकते।
वेरी गुड।
वैसे एंजॉय
करती है। तो ये बात
Well, in fact, Shivam is joining us live. Shivam, very interesting to see Shefali's younger sister looks exactly like her. But Shefali has had a trial by fire, if we can call it that, because she was gripped with self-doubt earlier when she was playing in under 19. She was one of the rising stars. Everyone hailed the way that she could perform. Then there was a slump which came in her career. But at the young age of 21, she powered with both the bat as well as the ball. She is literally the testimony that one can show up as an example for resilience, for a comeback.
Definitely, Meghna. In fact, she became one of the youngest players to reach the #1 ranking when it comes to T20Is. Her explosive way of dealing with the balls, going towards the bowler, attacking them from the very start, gave them a lot of fame. But again, this is a two-sided sword, so it can also reduce to a little bit of lump.
You're
so
absolutely right, but I'm sorry to interrupt you, Shivam. I'm just going to come back to you. There's some breaking news which is coming in. All of us are rejoicing the talent, the resilience, but